Banks are great at holding your money, but they're also great at charging hidden fees you might not even notice. In this video, I'll reveal the most common banking fees, from overdrafts to maintenance charges, and show you how to avoid them with smart account choices. If you're ready to stop wasting money on fees, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Banking is supposed to make our lives easier. It should be a place where your money grows safely, your bills get paid efficiently, and your financial future feels secure. But for millions of people, banks quietly siphon money through hidden fees. Charges that creep in unnoticed until you check your account and find yourself hundreds of dollars poorer. From overdrafts to maintenance fees, ATM charges to paper statement costs, banking fees can feel unavoidable. But the truth is, most of them can be avoided with awareness, planning, and smart financial habits. Let's count down from 10 to 1 to reveal how you can take control and protect your money. Point 10. Understand the true cost of your account. The very first step is awareness. Many people sign up for checking or savings accounts without reading the fine print. Advertisements promise free checking or no-fee savings, but often those claims come with conditions: a minimum balance, direct deposit, or a certain number of debit card transactions per month. If these conditions aren't met, fees start to appear automatically. Understanding the terms of your account is crucial. Knowledge transforms hidden costs from surprises into predictable, manageable information, giving you the power to avoid unnecessary charges. Point 9. Avoid monthly maintenance fees. Monthly maintenance fees are among the most common hidden charges, usually ranging from $5 to $25 per month. These fees can quickly accumulate into hundreds of dollars a year. The good news is that many banks will waive the fee if you meet certain conditions, like keeping a minimum balance, making direct deposits, or using your debit card regularly. If you consistently pay these fees, it's worth considering switching to a no-fee account. Online banks, credit unions, and some regional banks offer accounts with no monthly maintenance fees at all. Over time, switching accounts can save you hundreds of dollars without changing your lifestyle. Point 8. Be mindful of ATM fees. ATM fees are a silent drain on your finances. When you use an ATM outside your bank's network, you often pay two fees, one from your bank and another from the ATM owner. Even if the charges are just $2 to $3 each, repeated withdrawals add up quickly. To avoid these costs, plan your cash withdrawals in advance and use your bank's own ATMs whenever possible. Many banks and credit unions offer fee-free ATM networks or reimburse out-of-network fees, which can save you money if you travel frequently or need cash regularly. Point 7. Overdrafts and non-sufficient funds fees can be devastating. Overdraft and non-sufficient funds (NSF) fees are among the most punitive charges in banking. If you spend more than your available balance, your bank might cover the transaction but slap you with a fee, often around $35 per incident. Some people face multiple fees in a single day if several payments clear while their account is overdrawn. To avoid this, opt out of overdraft protection if it's not necessary, link your current account to a savings account for backup funds, or set up low balance alerts. It's far better to have a purchase declined than to pay hefty fees you could have avoided. Point 6. Be aware of minimum balance requirements. Some accounts require you to maintain a minimum balance. If your balance falls below this threshold, you could be charged a fee, even if it's just for one day. This can be particularly frustrating during months when unexpected expenses arise. To avoid these charges, look for accounts with no minimum balance requirements. Online banks are excellent options because they often provide full-featured checking and savings accounts with flexible balances and no hidden fees. Point 5. Avoid paper statement fees. Surprisingly, some banks charge for sending paper statements in the mail. While the fee might be just a few dollars a month, it's essentially a charge for something you didn't ask for. The solution is simple: go paperless. Switching to electronic statements not only saves money but also makes it easier to track your transactions in real time and reduces the risk of sensitive information falling into the wrong hands. Many banks incentivize this switch by waiving other fees or providing small perks. Point 4. Watch out for foreign transaction fees. Traveling abroad, or shopping on international websites can trigger foreign transaction fees, usually around 3% of each purchase. For frequent travelers, this adds up quickly and can amount to hundreds of dollars per year. To avoid these fees, consider using credit cards or bank accounts that specifically advertise no foreign transaction charges. Some online banks even offer multi-currency accounts, allowing you to hold and spend foreign currency without additional costs. Point 3. Inactivity fees can catch you off guard. Many banks charge inactivity fees if you don't use an account for a certain period, typically 6 to 12 months. This is often overlooked, especially for accounts set aside for savings or emergency funds. Even a single forgotten account can accumulate unnecessary charges over time. To prevent this, either close accounts you don't actively use or set up small automatic transactions, like transferring $5 monthly, to keep the account active. A little automation can save a lot of money in the long run. Point 2. Leverage technology to stay ahead of fees. Modern banking apps are a powerful tool in avoiding hidden fees. They allow you to track your transactions in real time, receive instant alerts for low balances, and monitor unusual activity. Budgeting apps and personal finance tools can link directly to your accounts, helping you spot patterns that might lead to fees. By staying proactive and using technology to monitor your accounts daily, you can catch potential issues before they become costly mistakes. Point 1. Choose the right bank for your needs. Finally, the single most effective way to avoid hidden fees is to choose the right bank from the start. Many traditional banks rely on fees to generate profits, while online banks and credit unions often operate with lower overhead and pass those savings on to customers. Look for institutions that offer no-fee accounts, free ATMs, easy online banking, and transparent policies. Don't be afraid to switch banks if your current one is costing you unnecessarily. Financial loyalty is valuable only if it doesn't come at the expense of your money. Hidden fees in banking are not inevitable. They are avoidable with the right knowledge, habits, and financial choices. From understanding your account terms to leveraging technology, avoiding unnecessary ATM and overdraft charges, and choosing the right bank, there are countless ways to protect your hard-earned money. By staying informed and proactive, you not only save money but also gain peace of mind knowing that your finances are secure and working for you, not the bank. Making small adjustments today can prevent hundreds or even thousands in lost fees over the years, giving you more freedom to save, invest, and achieve your financial goals. Avoiding hidden banking fees is one of the easiest ways to save money without changing your lifestyle. With the right accounts and a little awareness, you can keep more of your hard-earned cash. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple money hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.